Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. A safe and convenient way to bring your furry friend on rides is with the best dog trailers for electric bikes. They offer comfort, durability, and stability, ensuring your pet enjoys every journey while you ride worry-free. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Burley Tail Wagon Bike Trailer. The Burley Tail Wagon bike trailer is an excellent choice for pet owners seeking a lightweight, bike-only trailer that's designed with both comfort and safety in mind. Constructed from recycled polyester and Blue Sign certified materials, this trailer demonstrates Burley's commitment to sustainability while offering durability that lasts. The tail wagon features large mesh windows, ensuring maximum ventilation so your pet can stay cool and comfortable during rides. Inside, the spacious interior provides plenty of room for pets to sit or lie down, while the drum-type fabric keeps them secure without hooks, sharp edges, or snags that could pose a safety risk. A sturdy, removable floor with a washable fabric cover makes cleaning effortless, which is particularly convenient after muddy rides or long adventures. The large rear tailgate has low clearance for seamless loading and unloading, making it ideal for pets of various sizes. Additionally, the trailer includes a handy storage pocket to keep treats, leashes, or small gear within easy reach, enhancing convenience for owners on the go. Designed with foldability in mind, the tail wagon easily collapses for compact storage and transportation, so it won't take up much space in your garage or trunk. Whether you're going on short errands around town or extended cycling trips, this trailer balances functionality, safety, and comfort, providing a secure and enjoyable ride for pets. Owners will also appreciate the attention to detail, from the pet-safe interior to the durable construction, which ensures that the trailer can handle frequent use while protecting your furry friend.
Number 2. The Schwinn Rascal Bike Pet Trailer. The Schwinn Rascal Bike Pet Trailer is a versatile and safe trailer designed to provide a smooth and comfortable ride for your pet. It accommodates dogs up to 100 pounds and ensures they remain secure thanks to the adjustable leash length, which prevents pets from leaping out during rides. The trailer's design includes a rear doggy door and folding brake, offering easy access for your furry companion, while the sunroof lets pets enjoy the view without compromising safety. Comfort is a priority with a trailer liner that features a non-slip surface easily removable for washing after each adventure, ensuring a clean and hygienic environment for pets. The Schwinn Rascal also delivers excellent ride quality with 16-inch air-filled tires, providing smooth, steady performance over different terrains. Its unique folding frame and quick-release wheels make it compact and portable for storage or transportation, while the universal coupler allows the trailer to attach to almost any bicycle, offering convenience and versatility. Designed with both pet and owner in mind, this trailer combines safety, comfort, and ease of use. The durable construction ensures that it can withstand regular use while protecting your pets, and the thoughtful design features such as the sunroof, rear access, and removable liner make every ride enjoyable. Whether for short trips around the neighborhood or longer cycling excursions, the Schwinn Rascal Bike Pet Trailer stands out as a practical solution for dog owners seeking reliability and comfort. Its combination of secure features, ease of use, and quality materials ensures pets remain happy, safe, and comfortable during every journey, making it a top choice for those looking to take their dog along on cycling adventures.
Number 3. Aosom Dog Bike Trailer. The Aosom Dog Bike Trailer is a two-in-one design that can function as a bike trailer or a stroller, offering flexibility for pet owners who enjoy both cycling and walking or jogging with their dog. Built with durable Oxford fabric and a strong steel frame, the trailer ensures that pets remain safe and comfortable throughout the ride. Pets can easily enter the trailer through zippered front and back doors, and the roomy sunroof allows them to enjoy fresh air while keeping them secure. The trailer is designed for a smooth ride, featuring two 20-inch rear wheels and a 360-degree swivel front wheel, combined with a built-in hand-lock brake system for added stability and control. Quick-release wheels allow for convenient storage and transportation, and the trailer can stand upright to save space when not in use. Suitable for medium-sized dogs under 44 pounds, the Aosom Dog Bike Trailer offers an overall dimension of 61 inches in length,
32.75 inches in width and 42.5 inches in height, providing ample interior space for pets to move comfortably. Its dual functionality as a stroller or trailer makes it ideal for owners who want a versatile solution for outdoor activities.
Number 4. Burley Coho XC Cargo Trailer. The Burley Coho XC Cargo Trailer is a highly adaptable trailer that transitions seamlessly from a bike trailer to a stroller, making it an excellent choice for pet owners seeking versatility. The front caster wheels stow neatly under the trailer while biking and can be deployed into stroller mode with the press of a button, allowing easy movement on sidewalks or trails. Its tool-free transition ensures convenience and simplicity for users who want to switch modes quickly. The trailer includes interior mesh cargo pockets, providing additional storage for pet gear or other items, while the included weather-resistant cover protects pets or cargo from the elements. The Coho XC folds flat for compact storage and transport, making it easy to keep in a garage or car trunk. A foot-activated parking brake adds safety, keeping the trailer stationary when loading or unloading pets. Constructed from recycled fabric, it combines eco-friendly materials with durability and design functionality. While primarily designed for cargo, it can accommodate pets safely with proper accessories, offering comfort and secure transport. Its thoughtful engineering ensures smooth rides, easy maneuverability, and reliable performance, even for longer excursions.
Number 5. Vivore Dog Bike Trailer. The Vivore Dog Bike Trailer is a versatile 2-in-1 trailer that doubles as a jogging stroller, making it ideal for pet owners who want to combine cycling and jogging activities. With a maximum weight capacity of 88 pounds, it accommodates both medium and large pets comfortably. The trailer's front waterproof curtain shields pets from rain, while mesh curtains provide ventilation, clear visibility, and protection from insects, ensuring a pleasant ride in all conditions. Inside, a soft cushion offers additional comfort, and a rear pet door allows for easy access. Safety is a priority, with a built-in safety belt to secure pets, a crash guard, a safety flag, and reflective strips for visibility in low light conditions. The trailer measures 35.8 inches in length and 22.4 inches in width, offering ample space for pets to move comfortably. Quick connect features and a foldable frame allowed for easy assembly, storage, and transportation, while compatibility with bicycles ranging from 20 to 29 inches in wheel diameter adds convenience for most riders. Choosing the right dog trailer for your electric bike ensures every ride is safe, comfortable, and enjoyable for both you and your pet. From lightweight, eco-friendly options to versatile 2-in-1 designs, these trailers offer convenience, security, and durability. Investing in a quality trailer means more adventures, peace of mind, and happy tales on every cycling journey.